Hi, you guys. Welcome to the Move In With Me series, powered by Nespresso and gluten-free Oreos. My name is Courtney. I'm a single mom to a little 6-year-old boy. And up until this point, we have lived in a one-bedroom, 1,200 square foot apartment. So moving into this huge 2-bedroom, 1-level house was such an upgrade for us, and I feel so blessed to be able to get to unpack. In today's video, you will see tons of deep cleaning, lots of decluttering and editing out my home, and also, of course, lots of unpacking. So if you have a project that you've needed to get to, maybe you need to unpack or do some cleaning, please join me. And if you're also just watching this to relax and sit back and you're on your couch, then I hope that this is either motivating or relaxing for you. But either way, welcome to my channel, The Single Mom Society. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get to work. So you'll see in these next few clips, I am really stressed out. When I'm overthinking, I touch my face a lot. And I was just really in the zone. And the problem with that, when I get like laser focus, is the thing I'm focused on, the project, it gets all my attention, but everything else doesn't. And it just doesn't work very well as a single mom, to be totally honest. So at this point, we had been moving for months, you guys. And so I just really wanted to get unpacked so I could find my son's, school uniform and clean underwear. And I wanted to get out of these sweats, that kind of thing. So I was just so focused on trying to get it done. And also decluttering and deep cleaning, because a lot of my furniture had been in storage for a while. And also, I wasn't able to do any kind of editing of my belongings when I was packing. I literally threw things in boxes. I threw everything in different boxes, like to where I couldn't just bring a box in and put it in a room, because my son's stuff and my stuff and the kitchen stuff were all in one box. You get what I mean? So there was a lot going on in my head. See, touching my face again. So anyway, you'll see at one point I end up taking a break and taking a shower and all that. But when I'm focused, I don't want to eat anything. I don't want to drink my water. I just want to get it done. So here I am actually starting to enjoy myself. I think I got to the place where I'd gotten everything out of boxes, at least for in my room. And so I was able to just kind of see what I needed to do from there. And then now I was just kind of folding things down and wiping things out. Have you guys used these drawer organizers? They have them in an acrylic, which I like even more. They're just even more like classy looking, but they're really awesome because, you know, you can just pop them in and out. But I've loved them. I've been using them for a few years now. Highly recommend. Anything that I love that's in this video that I'm going to link it for you. Because I don't know, I always like that in other videos. So yeah. Anyway, I'm just enjoying myself. I'm folding everything down. Disclaimer, I only fold my like workout leggings in that KonMari method. It's really amazing because you can truly see like all of the colors and everything right in front of you, but I don't do it with anything else. I don't know why. It's not very practical, I guess. Like, it's not very sustainable, but I do like it for my workout pants. You know, I can see which black legging I want to wear today. So yes, I am literally pulling shoes out of a trash can. Okay, so I'm going to tell you briefly my moving saga story. And I don't want this to come across like I'm complaining because I'm very thankful in the end for, you know, this place, but it took a lot to get here. So back up, when I became a single mom, I moved into this adorable little apartment, almost like a guest house above a shop on a property with a main house and a huge backyard. And it served us very well. It was a 1-bedroom, like I said, a 1,200 square foot, just a small little apartment. And, you know, about a year and a half ago, I was really feeling that itch. Like, I really wanted a bigger place, like a 2-bedroom. I was ready for my son to not co-sleep with me and just to be able to spread out. And anyway, sometimes things take longer than you would like, right? So my landlord called me up one day and said, hey, you know, the main house is going to be available. Did you want it? I want to give you first dibs. So of course I jumped at that, and we were set to move in February 1st. And then 2 weeks before Christmas, my apartment flooded, and I got home from work and the plumber had done some repairs and he flooded the apartment. So we had to move out last minute, like overnight. So I threw a bunch of things in boxes, moved into an Airbnb, and we lived there over Christmas for like 7 weeks. And then the rest of my stuff had to be put into like a storage place. And then we had to move into here. And then I had to move out of the Airbnb and then clean the apartment for the new tenant. You know what I mean? It was a lot. So I was really tired at this point. I felt like I had been hit by a truck because I had to do like all of the moving of the boxes and stuff on my own because it was so last minute. Like, I guess no one was really available. So yeah, I was feeling it for sure. Lots and lots of coffee, y'all, and Oreos. so much before I actually moved in, you guys, to this place. I deep cleaned for like 2 or 3 days. I soaked my tub in bleach for 2 days, and then I used a magic eraser and the Dawn Power Wash to really get it sparkling. I had to get the shower liner up. My curtain was still somewhere in boxes, but I really had to take a shower. So it was a priority for me, and just getting the bathroom clean. I don't know, something about a clean bathroom that like I know is clean to my standards. Anybody else like that? Anyway, I'm wrapping it up now. It feels really good to get this accomplished and just to have sparkling floors and a sparkling tub and a sparkling sink, and then my wardrobe is somewhat organized, and that is the best feeling ever.